In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello workspace view. Trello offers a variety of ways to visualize your projects, and getting familiar with these options can make managing your tasks more effective and intuitive. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can switch your Trello board view in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open the Trello board for which you're interested in changing the view. This is the foundation of your workflow on Trello, where your lists and cards reside. Once your board is open and in focus, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, right next to the title of your board, you'll notice a small caret icon. This tiny arrow symbol is the key to unlocking various viewing options. By clicking on this caret icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu presents a selection of different views that Trello offers. Each view serves a different purpose and can give you a unique perspective on your tasks and projects. You can choose from the classic board view, which most users are familiar with, or explore other options such as the table view for a more spreadsheet-like format. There's also the calendar view, which is perfect if you're focused on deadlines or planning time-sensitive projects. Additionally, you can switch to the dashboard view to get a visual overview of your project's status with charts and other report tools. For those who prefer to see progress over time, the timeline view can be incredibly useful as it lays out your tasks across a horizontal timeline. Alternatively, if your projects or tasks are location-based, the map view will display your data with a geographical context. It's worth noting that all the data contained within your board seamlessly integrates with the view you select. This means that no matter how you choose to visualize your tasks, all your information and updates remain consistent and up to date in real time. One of the greatest conveniences of this feature is its flexibility. You are not committed to just one view. You can switch between these different perspectives at any time. This allows you to tailor your work environment to suit the specific needs of your project or even just your personal preferences on any given day. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate and change your Trello workspace view. By maximizing the use of these diverse visualization tools, you can enhance your productivity and gain better control over your projects. So go ahead, experiment with the different options, and see which one fits your workflow best. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!